Good morning, dear students. My name is Abu Jihad Ansari, Associate Professor, Department of English, Rajbari Government Adorsho Women's College. Today we are going to read from English first paper, short syllabus, part 1, that is grammar section in the examination, SSC 2020. Short syllabus, higher secondary school certificate examination that will be held in 2022. Due to the pandemic situation, the government has shortened the syllabus, reduced the syllabus of English first paper. This is short syllabus or revised syllabus according to the instruction of National Curriculum and Textbook Board. This is revised syllabus, and we can say short syllabus. In the English first paper, there are two parts. Part 1 is grammar section and part B is writing section. Today we are going to read part 1, that is grammar section. In the grammar section, first number is multiple choice question, MCQ. That is multiple choice question, marks 0.5 × 10, 5. There will be 10 multiple choice questions. Okay, dear students, I am going to tell you again that in the first paper is divided into two parts. Part 1, that is grammar section, 60 marks. Part 1, 60 marks. And in the part B, guided writing, there are 40 marks. And the first question is multiple choice question, MCQ. Marks 0.5 × 10. There will be 10 MCQ question. You will have to answer the correct answer, and this question containing 0.5 marks, including 10 question, there will be 5 marks. So let us discuss the system of the topic. You know, in our last classes we have read I Have a Dream. In our last class we read The Lanchon, a short story. I think most of you have heard the story Lanchon. Lanchon is a restaurant. Lanchon is a short story where the writer entertained his lady guest at first. You know, we are going to tell you the short story in short. The short story Lanchon tells the writer's bad experience at Foyt's. Foyt's is a restaurant where the French senators eat. It is very expensive. It was very expensive restaurant at Paris. One of his lady guests wrote a letter to him saying that she was his fan and she wanted to have a chat with him at Foyt's. Foyt's was very costly restaurant, and the writers had the little ability. Writer had no ability to entertain her lady guest at Foyt's. But the writer was too young and had not learned to say no to a woman. So the writer agreed to her guest's request and complied with his request, and she accepted his invitation. The writer met the lady guest at Foyt's. The lady guest was not so attractive and young as the writer expected. basically she was a man of 40 and she had more teeth than the necessary. She had an imposing appearance, not so attractive. But the lady guest was very talkative. She ate 6 costly items one after another at first, but every time she told that she never ate more than one thing for lunch. Thus, the lady guest exploited the writer. But at last, the omnipotent took the revenge. Today, the lady weighs 21 stone. 1 stone is equal to 14 pounds. That is above 200 pounds. The lady became very fat and she weighs 200 pounds. In this way, the lady guest was punished by the god. And this is the bad effect of overeating. This is the passage. Now, in this story, there are some questions. We can find 10 questions. Choose the correct answer from the alternatives. What does the phrase "to keep body and soul together" mean? To keep body and soul mean to repeat, to lose, to win, to survive. Which one is correct? I think to survive. টিকে থাকা, বেঁচে থাকা. To keep body and soul means টিকে থাকা বা বেঁচে থাকা. The meaning of succulent. There is a word succulent. The meaning of succulent, there are 4 options. 1. Nutritious, delicious, nice, scanty. This is delicious. What does the word afford means? Afford অর্থ কি? To have enough money to buy, প্রচুর টাকা থাকা. To have doubt to buy, সন্দেহ থাকা, কিছু ক্রয় করা. To have the ability to buy for others. The correct answer is to have the ability to buy. Afford means ability. I cannot afford because I cannot afford, I have not ability. In this question, to have the ability to buy. Correspondence means question number C. What does the word correspondence means? Correspondence অর্থ কি? Conspiracy, number 1. Number 2, communicate by letters, চিঠিপত্রের মাধ্যমে যোগাযোগ করা. কনফার্মেশন, সঠিক ধারণা করা. কন্ট্যাক্ট থ্রু ফোনস, ফোনে আলাপ করা. In these 4 options, the correct answer is communication by letters, চিঠিপত্রের মাধ্যমে যোগাযোগ করা. Correspondence means communications by letters. Question number E. The phrase take someone to task. Take someone to task অর্থ কি? To praise, প্রশংসা করা. To admire, কাউকে এটা প্রশংসা করা. To flatter, তোষামত করা. To rebuke, গালমন্দ করা. To rebuke, গালমন্দ করা. Take to task means to rebuke, গালমন্দ করা, দোষ ধরা. Extra question. What does the word essential mean? Essential এর অর্থ কি? Question number F. Minor, essential, important, modest. This is in this sense modest, important. What do you mean by interval? Interval অর্থ কি? INTERVAL. What do you mean by interval? Interval অর্থ তুমি কি বোঝো? ইন্টারভ্যাল অর্থ কি? এখানে আছে হেয়ার ইউজুয়াল টাইম, সঠিক সময়. নাইট, রাত্রে. অফ টাইম, 3. কোশ্চেন নম্বর 3, অফ টাইম. টাইম ফর প্লেয়িং গেমস, খেলার সময়. নো, The correct answer is off time. Interval means off time. What does amicable mean? Amicable or question number D, I. What does amicable mean? Hostile, funny, fearsome, friendly. Amicable means friendly. What the question number I? The word bacon in the context means. The word bacon in the text means draw, ডাকা, call, ডাকা, wait, অপেক্ষা করা, gesture, ইশারা ডাকা, gesture. এখানে in the context, in this text, bacon means gesture, ইশারায় ডাক দেওয়া. What does the word casually, নৈমিত্তিক mean? ডেলিভারেটলি, ইচ্ছাকৃতভাবে, ফর্মালি, আনুষ্ঠানিকভাবে, ইরেগুলারলি, অসংলগ্নভাবে, ফ্রেন্ডলি, বন্ধুত্বভাবে. এখানে ইরেগুলারলি, অসংলগ্নভাবে হবে. দ্য ওয়ার্ড প্লেরাইট রেফার্স টু. দ্য কোশ্চেন নাম্বার যে দ্য ওয়ার্ড প্লেরাইট রেফার্স টু. প্লেরাইটের অর্থ কী? নভেলিস্ট, ড্রামাটিস্ট, পোয়েট, prose writer. Playwright means dramatist. In this sentence, the correct answer is dramatist. What does the word anticipate mean? Anticipate অর্থ কী? The options are conjecture, ধারণা, belief, বিশ্বাস, recall, স্মরণ করা, suspect, সন্দেহ করা. এখানে conjecture, ধারণা করা. Anticipate means conjecture, ধারণা করা. The phrase by all means, সর্বশক্তি দিয়ে, refers to at any cost, যেভাবেই হোক, in a simple way, সাধারণভাবে. নাম্বার সি, in fair, সঠিকভাবে, in terms of conditions, শর্তযুক্তভাবে. In this sentence, in this context, the answer is at any cost, যে কোনোভাবে হোক. This is the system of multiple choice question. If you read the passage, then you can answer the question. Today we completed multiple choice questions from the text The Luncheon. I think you have already read the short story The Luncheon. Next we are going to from the passage Kuakata, daughter of the sea. I think you have already read the passage Kuakata, daughter of the sea. Kuakata, সাগরকন্যা. এই প্যাসেজটা তোমরা সবাই পড়েছো. আমরা let us start the synopsis of the story. Kuakata, locally known as Sagorkonna, daughter of the sea, is a rare scenic spot isolated on the southernmost tip of Bangladesh. Kuakata in Lotasapli Union under Kolapara police station in Patuakhali district is about 30 km in length and 6 km in breadth. an, ex, an excellent combination of the picturesque natural beauty, sandy beaches, blue sky, and the shimmering expanses of water of the Bay of Bengal and the evergreen forest makes Kuakata a sought after tourist destination. The name Kuakata takes its origin from the story of Kua or well dug on the seashore by the early Rakhine settlers for collecting drinking water. The Rakhine had landed on Kuakata coast after being expelled from Arakans by the Mughals. Following the first well, it became a tradition to dig wells in the neighborhood of Rakhine homesteads for freshwater supply. Kuakata is one of the unique spots which allow a visitor to watch both the sunrise and the sunset from the beach. That perhaps makes Kuakata one of the world's most water attractive beaches. The long and wide beach at Kuakata has a typical natural setting. The sandy beach slopes gently into the bay, and bathing there is as pleasant as to swimming and diving. Kuakata is truly a virgin beach and a sanctuary for migratory birds. Fishing boats plying in the Bay of Bengal with colorful sails, surfing waves, and the lines of coconut trees add to the vibrant colors Kuakata. The indigenous culture of the Rakhine community and 100-year-old Buddhist temples indicate the age-old tradition and cultural heritage of the area. Kuakata is also a holy land for the Hindus and Buddhists. Each year, thousands of devotees come here to attend the festival Rash Purnima and Maghi Purnima. On these 2 days, pilgrims take holy bath and enjoy going to the traditional fair. This is the passage titled Kuakata, the daughter of the sea. I think you have already read the passage. Now, from the passage, we are going to read practice multiple choice question. There are 4 options in each question: 1, 2, 3, 4, and one option is correct. You have to write the correct answer, not the full answer. Full sentence. Don't write the full sentence. You just write the correct answer. Now let exam preparation. সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, এইচএসসি পরীক্ষার প্রশ্নের ধরন অনুযায়ী এই লেসনের উপর পরীক্ষা প্রস্তুতি সহ গুরুত্বপূর্ণ প্রশ্ন উত্তর দেওয়া হলো। রিড দ্য প্যাসেজ অ্যান্ড আনসার দ্য কোশ্চেন এ বি। এই প্যাসেজটা পড়ো। কুয়াকাটা, the daughter of the sea. I have already read the passage. Now we are going to the question answer, multiple choice question. Question number A. Choose the correct answer from the 4 alternatives. Question number A. The best synonym of vibrant is thrilling, colorful, gorgeous, brilliant. Which one is correct? The best synonym of the vibrant is thrilling, colorful, gorgeous, brilliant. Again, thrilling. The answer is thrilling. Scenic spot refers to the palace having multiple scenes. The place have a calm atmosphere. A place of unparalleled natural beauty. A place having untidy spots. The answer is a place of unparalleled natural beauty. একটি জায়গা যার অপ্রতিদ্বন্দ্বিত প্রাকৃতিক সৌন্দর্য, দ্যাট ইজ scenic beauty. Kuakata is truly a virgin beach, and a sanctuary for migratory winter birds. What does it imply? Wakata is a beach. Number one, Wakata is a beach in its origin, pure condition, and a rare abode for guest birds. Rare abode. Wakata is a place of rare beauty and world's largest beach. Wakata is untouched by human habitation. Wakata is a natural habitat. The correct answer is Wakata is a beach in its original pure condition and a rare abode for guest birds. এখানে কুয়াকাটার আদি সৌন্দর্য বর্তমান আছে এবং অতিথি পাখিদের নিরাপদ আশ্রয়স্থল। দ্য রাখাইন্স অরিজিনালি কেম ফ্রম, রাখাইনটা কোন দেশ থেকে এসেছিল? পটুয়াখালী ডিস্ট্রিক্ট, লতাসাপলি ইউনিয়ন, কুয়াকাটা কোস্ট, আরাকান ডিস্ট্রিক্ট। দ্য কারেক্ট আনসার ইজ আরাকান ডিস্ট্রিক্ট। The word shimmering in the text could be replaced by shivering, shining, significant, glaring. The answer is glaring. Extra question. The word pilgrim best expresses. Pilgrimer অর্থটা কি? A. Quest, holy people, traveler, tourist. The answer is holy people, ধর্মপ্রাণ লোক। Wakata is an excellent combination of A. Picturesque natural beauty, 2. Sandy beaches, shimmering expanse of water, all of above. The answer is number 4, all the above. Wakata is an excellent combination of picturesque natural beauty. The closest meaning of the word unique is good, one, too lovely, improvised, 4, exceptional. The correct answer is exceptional. The word expanse means A. Development, 2. Spread, 3. Improvised, exceptional. The word expanse means development, spread, separation, vastness. The answer is vastness. The Buddhist temples of Kuakata indicate the age-old tradition. The underlined expression refers to the Buddhist temples of Kuakata indicate the age-old tradition. The underlined expression, very ancient tradition, very scenic, very attractive, very traditional. Age-old means very ancient tradition, অনেক পুরাতন ঐতিহ্য। These are the multiple choice question. We have read 2 passages. One is The Luncheon by William Somerset Maugham, and another is Kuakata, the Daughter of the Sea. We have practiced 2 passages. We have practiced multiple choice question from 2 passages. One from The Luncheon and another from Kuakata, the Daughter of the Sea. You at home we practice these 2 lesson and prepare the multiple choice question at home, and you write the only correct answer, not the full sentences. In this way you practice the multiple choice question. The number marks contained in the section 0.5 to 10, 5. In our previous system there were 5 MCQs, that is 5 multiple choice question. But in our revised syllabus, short syllabus of the only for 2022, there will be 10 multiple choice question, and it is easier for you to practice 10 multiple choice question containing 0.5 marks, that is 5 marks. In this way you practice multiple choice question. Okay, thank you everybody.